Hello again, welcome back to Grace Signature. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my TZ stew recipe. Yes, this is the authentic Ghana Tuo Zaafi stew. I already have a video on the TZ itself and the ayoyo soup. That's the green soup that comes with it, okay? So the TZ is 3 in 1. You have the TZ itself, you have the ayoyo soup, and then this stew to go with it. All right, guys? So check that video out and then come with me to my creative kitchen and let's do some cooking. All right, so in this bowl, I have my offal, which is the yamadia, the stomach, okay? And in that bowl is some beef, and in the other one is my cow foot, deboned cow foot. So this is cow foot, but it has been deboned, and it looks exactly like willy, which is the cow hide. All right, guys. So for TZ stew, you need some palm oil and some smoked mackerel. All right, so there I have 2 tablespoons of shrimp powder, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of aniseed, which is nkiti, my dawadawa mix, that's a tablespoon, a pinch of salt to taste, 1 shrimp cube, and then a teaspoon of my vegetable seasoning. And in the other bowl is 1 onion sliced. All right, and then here I have my veggies, the remaining veggies, which is tomatoes. I'm using fresh tomatoes. You can use the thin one. 1 red onion and 3 scotch bonnet peppers. So you can reduce the amount of peppers if you don't like hot food, okay? Yes, I love hot and spicy food. I like the ones that when I eat, I'll be blowing my tongue. That's what I like, all right? And then on this side, I have 4 cloves of garlic, about half a thumb size of ginger, and then 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste. So into my bowl, I'll add in all my meat, so which is the beef itself and the offal. And then next, my salt, the vegetable seasoning, and then the shrimp stock cube, followed by my diced onions. I'll then bring those to a boil. And what I do is whenever I'm cooking my meat, I do not add water to it from the initial stage. What I do is I allow it to simmer in its juices for some time, for about 5 to 10 minutes, before I add in water, enough water to cook it. All right, so that's exactly what I did. Even though I didn't add any water to this, look at how much juice we have around this. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm steaming. In Ghana, we say mechi and yes, mechi. I'm steaming the meat. I'm simmering it. All right, so yeah, I'll give this a good stir and then go ahead and blend my onions, garlic, ginger, and the aniseed. All right, so I'll add in enough water to blend this. And then I'll pour the mixture onto the meat. So look at that, I didn't add water to this, but look at how much juice I have around it. So at this point, I've added in my blended veggies and the spice. Okay, so I'll give this a good stir, rinse my blender, pour that in, cover it, and then allow those to cook on a medium heat for about 30 minutes. All right, so next I'll go to the next phase, which is the stew. So I'll start preparing the stew. In my blender, I've added in my peppers. I'm adding in my tomatoes. Okay, and blend this. All right, so next I've my pot is there, is ready. I'm adding in some palm oil, and that's a cup full of palm oil, about a cupful of palm oil. At this point, I'll add in my diced onion, sliced onion. Sorry, I'll give this a good stir. Allow this to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add in the blended veggies, which is the tomatoes and then the habanero peppers. I'll give this a good stir and then allow this to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So my stew is really doing well. It looks very nice and beautiful already. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add in my dawadawa mix and then the shrimp powder. I'll give this a very good stir, making sure that it is well incorporated, and allow this to simmer for another 5 minutes. Yes, we are getting there. And look at that. Look at how beautiful and nice this stew is looking like. So at this point, I'll add in my meat and the stock as well, okay? We really need the stock in the stew. Never discard the stock, okay, from your cooked meat or chicken, because that is what will intensify the flavors and the aromas in your soup or your stew, all right? A good stir, and this time allow the stew to cook for some few more minutes and our stew should be ready. Right, so now that the stew is almost done, I'm now going to add in my smoked mackerel. I don't like adding it in early, okay, or before the meat, because the more you do the stirring, the more the fish gets torn apart, and I don't want that. So I always add in my fish just at the end of it when the stew is almost done. All right, so now that I've added in my smoked mackerel, my stew is now done. It's ready to be served. It's ready to be dished out. All right, so I have transferred those into a very nice pot. Here you are. So look at that. That's my Tuo Zaafi stew right there. The Tuo Zaafi stew is ready, and it's about time that we enjoy our teasers. Yeah. Authentic Ghana, Tuo Zaafi. Alright, so here I am serving myself. And guys, look at how beautiful and nice this is. And this is not just beautiful, it is amazing. It tastes great. It is fantastic. The aroma, oh my goodness, the freshness and those is just amazing. And guys, you know what? The shrimp powder added to the stew has actually taken the taste, the flavor, and the aroma to another level. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Like I said earlier, I already have the recipe, the teased and the ayoyo recipe on my channel, so check that out. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Grace Signature. And to my subscribers, thank you for your support to this channel. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share my videos with your family and friends. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a video. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.